Another boisterous atmosphere at a sold-out Allianz Field. Away we go. A game that often operates on the edge. Reynoso's ball in. Very nearly went all the way through. Robin Loons. Minnesota get the break they need. Flongwane forwards. It's opened up here for Amaria. Oh! Reynoso. Space for Robin Loons again. Loons ball in. Amaria! Territorial and poignant in front of goal. A goal in the cold makes Luis Amaria Minnesotan again.
And staying wide with the pace. And a nice little ball to the right-hand side from Emmanuel Reynoso. But watch Luis Amaria. He drops off the shoulder, and then he continues the run. Then he finds himself between the two defenders. Neither one marking. It does take a deflection, but even more so the fact that Luis Amaria has to be on his toes to finish it.
Lopez with his pocket picked, and now this is Robin Loons again. Reynoso. Straight down the throat of Marcinkowski. Lopez with his pocket picked, and now this is Robin Loons again. Reynoso. Straight down the throat of Marcinkowski.
So many turnovers by San Jose in their defensive third of the field. That's the kind of moments that you have to capitalize on if you're Minnesota United. You've got to make them pay for those mistakes.
Flongwane. That's the goal from range. Bobasi cleverly into Kikanovic. Thrust into Espinoza. Back across Kikanovic! Best opening for San Jose by a country mile. Flongwane. And Maria back inside. Here's Flongwane! Really good save by Marcinkowski. That was Flongwane's moment.
Sparks his confidence. Look at the ball pops up here, but as he continues on and he plays on, he strikes it cleanly. He lands on the shooting foot. Marcinkowski makes the save. Doesn't put it far enough out of reach. But I love the give and go.
Now about to have two changes for Minnesota, but we'll get to them shortly. Reynoso's ball in. Punched away. Robin Loons hooking back in. Needed saving from Marcinkowski.
Tough spot there inside that six. It's a little bit slippery. And he's tracking back towards his own goal. And all he could do is palm it over the top, over the crossbar. But the previous save, he had to punch out on the corner kick.
A touch for Corey Hayes. Tanladi. Into Franco Fragapane. Who's in on goal.